Hello everyone, so this is episode 3 of the Wizards Unite. So in this episode is to mainly introduce to you potions, because once you reach level 4 you're able to make potions, and one of your quests, you see one of the quests is brew 1 potion. This is the one that I'm lacking for today, as well as return 10 foldables. This one already done. I'll collect it now. So my last thing to do for today daily assignment is brew 1 potion. And remember, you can only brew potions when you're level 4. So now already level 5. I played a bit while during my leisure time that I didn't record, so now I'm level 5. So when you're level 4, you go to this suitcase in the middle, just press it and it'll bring you to this suitcase page. In this suitcase page, you see there's a potion here. Click on this potion icon.
This is your potions bench, where you can take ingredients you've found in the world and brew concoctions. Potions are vital in overcoming the calamity.
Up to 4 potions can be queued at a time. Once the first potion is finished brewing, the cauldron starts brewing the next automatically. Eskimolo potions are useful for helping to defeat foes in combat and overcoming more difficult traces. Let's brew 1 now. So you click on this, then it will say that all potions on the list are useful to fight against the calamity. They help you to heal, improve your abilities, and even enhance spellcasting. Every potion has a unique recipe. All of necessary ingredients must be collected before a potion can be brewed. So if you lack of something, you'd have to pay some coins to it to fill up the missing ingredients. The ministry generously grants you the ingredients for Eskimolo potions. So it's the first one which is ready to brew. So let's click on it. Done. So now let's wait. So in this case, because I want to show you how this whole entire process done, we will skip the 1 hour and 59 minutes. I just finish it by paying the amount to finish it. So once you finish it, the potions is done. So basically this is how you brew your potions. So I'll brew a bit more so that at least I see if I need it, then it will be useful for battles, to be frank. So in the process of this video time that I play, I grew quite a lot of experience quite easily for the first few levels. It's same as Pokemon Go. It entices you to play more because it's easy for you to grow level, so you will play more and spend more of the time, so that in the later stage I believe that it will get even tougher to level up. So yeah, this will be the whole entire process. But before we end this video, we'll be claiming the last item for this daily assessment before we go for this 8 coins. Coins, I believe, are especially useful for later part of the game, which I'm still exploring. I'm not sure what can it be done, but I'll keep as much coins as possible. Just that the brewing of potions, I use 12 coins to illustrate how this entire thing works. So I already completed this daily assignment, and let's go to achievement. Let's collect some experience. I think, you know what, I think that's it for today, because the main focus for this video is to show you how to create potions. So yeah, so this is how you create potions. You need to be level 4, then you go inside the bottom the center icon at the bottom of this screen. Click on it, and you will see a potions icon at the bottom left. Click on it, and you can start brewing your own potions. And let me tell you, potions are really useful in terms of fighting in the fortress or fighting, getting the images. So yeah, that's it for this video, and hope you like it, hope you enjoy it, and hope you learn how to create potions. This is a step-by-step guide with Singapore Honey Bee to become the greatest wizard in Wizards Unite. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.